Small details can make a big difference in how your vehicle looks and holds up over time, and license plate hardware is often overlooked. These security license plate screws are designed to securely fasten your rear metal license plate while eliminating common issues like rust stains, corrosion, and loose fittings. From the moment they are installed, they provide a clean, durable solution that protects both your plate and your vehicle. Made from mill-certified 18-8 stainless steel, these license plate bolts offer excellent rust-proof performance and strong resistance to salt water and harsh weather conditions. This makes them especially suitable for vehicles exposed to rain, snow, coastal air, or frequent washing. Unlike standard steel screws, they help prevent rust streaks from forming and running down your license plate or bumper. Each screw features a smooth black oxidized finish that is processed in the United States. This paint-free finish will not chip, flake, or peel over time, maintaining a clean and uniform appearance that blends well with black or dark license plate frames. The pan head design with a flat head profile allows for easy installation while holding the plate firmly in place. Sized for compatibility, these small screws measure 0.75 inches in length and 0.25 inches in diameter. They are designed to fit most vehicles that use plastic or nylon retainers, making them a practical replacement for factory hardware on many cars. The set includes 4 bolts, providing everything needed for a secure rear plate installation. Whether you are replacing old, rusty screws or finishing off a new license plate frame, these stainless steel bolts deliver both function and appearance. If you want a reliable way to secure your license plate while keeping your vehicle looking clean and well maintained, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more simple upgrades and quality automotive accessories.